Good morning students. In last video we discussed about direct and indirect speech, and now again we are going to talk about this because yesterday we have talked two rules that how direct speech changes in indirect speech. So two rules we have learned yesterday, and we will discuss here third rule, and before that we will see here some examples. Sita said to him, comma inverted comma, you are not doing any work. So Sita said to Chanjan, told. Sita told him on the place of comma inverted comma that you change according to object, because as you know that first person change according to subject, second person change according to object, and third person no change. So you is the second person, so it will change according to object. That on the place of commented comma that you change according to object is him, so him is the he, his, him, he, his, him. This is objective case, but whenever we will make it in subject, so subjective case will become he, because you are here in subjective case, and him subjective case will be he. Is are change in was verb. He was not doing any work. The remain only helping verb will change, and remain sentence will same. Next example you see, we said to the students, comma inverted comma, you have learnt your lessons well. So see here we said to change in told. We told the students, comma inverted comma, that you change according to object. In object there is the students, it means plural number is there, third person plural number. When plural number is there, then they, the students, they have change in had, they had learnt. Now you or you, that is the second person. The second person change according to object. In object there is the student, so here will be there, because they is the third person, they is the they is third person plural number, so here there lesson well. I hope you have understood. Next, rule number 3 we'll see here. Rule number 3, what the rule number 3 is there, when there is not object in reporting verb. It means when there is not object in reporting verb. This is the reporting verb, this is reported speech. If object is not given, if object is not given in reporting verb, then what will happen, how to make the sentence in reported speech. So here some rules are also given. As you know that the second person of a reported speech change according to the object of the reporting verb. As you know that second person of the reported speech change according to the object of the reporting verb. So second person object change according to the second person change according to the object of the reporting verb. If in the reporting verb object is not given, if here object is not given on the like subject verb object, if object is not given, then what will happen, we will have to suppose any first person or third person. We will have to suppose suppose any first person or third person as object. If object is not given here, then we will have to suppose here. See here, Ram said, comma inverted comma, you should work hard. So here subject verb, object is not given. If object is not given, then we will have to suppose. So we are supposing this one, that here given said to me, Ram said to me, object me, we are supposing, we can suppose only first person or third person. So Ram said to me, comma inverted comma, you should work hard. So Ram said to change in told me that, we have supposed this, told me, comma inverted comma, that You change according to object. Object is here me. So me is here in objective case. So what will the subjective case of me? I should work hard. So should will be remain should, would will be remain would. Okay. Next, mother said, comma and comma, you should go there. Mother said, comma and comma, you should go there. So object is not given here, and this is the second person, and second person change according to object, but object is not given. So what will happen? We will have to suppose. So we will have to suppose here third person. Mother said to change in told. Mother told him, comma and comma, that. You change according to object. Object we have supposed here him. So him is the objective case. The subjective case of him will be he should go there. I hope you understood. So let us see the next page. Next page saying that the old man said, comma and comma, you can go your house, Anand. So if object is not given here and here is given, the proper noun is given here, so we will suppose this proper noun as an object. Like the old man told, said, we can make the sentence like this. The old man said to Anand, you can go to your house. So Anand will suppose here as an object. The old man told Anand that. So on the place of object we have written here Anand that he. You change according to object. In object there is Anand. Anand he can change in could. He could go to his house. And your house you change according to object, and object is there Anand, it means he, and he possessive case of he is his house. Next, one more rule is here. If any proper noun is given, then we will suppose it as an object of the reporting verb. Means if any proper noun is given, like Anand is given here, so we will suppose it as an object of the reporting verb. So let us see, like the father said, comma to comma, Sarla, you have been lazy. You have become lazy. So see here, the father said. You will change according to object, and object is not given here. So this is the proper noun, and we will this proper noun will suppose as an object, because the father said to Sarla. Okay. So the father said to change in told Sarla, comma to comma, that. You change according to object. In object there is Sarla, it means she has change in had. She had become lazy. She had become lazy. Next sentence is here. The policeman said, comma into comma, you must keep to the left, boys. So here boys is given. So we will suppose this as an object. The policeman said to boys, said to change told. The policeman told the boys, comma and comma, that they, because you change according to object. In object as boys are the plural number, so they must keep to the left. Keep to the left. Must will be remain must, should remain should, could remain could. Okay, and you change according to object, and object we have suppose here the boys. Okay, I hope understood. Next one, if any other proper noun is given, then like friend, gentleman, father, mother, etc., then we will use addressed as. Okay, on the place of boys and Sharla, if any another proper noun is given, then see some example here. The stranger said to me, comma into comma, gentleman, I have lost my way. So the gentleman, the stranger, on the place of said to, we will write there addressed as. What write? Addressed as. So the stranger addressed me as gentleman. This gentleman will put here. The stranger addressed me as gentleman and said. The stranger addressed me as gentleman and said. On the place of permanent comma, that I change according to subject. Subject is the stranger. It means he has have changed in had. He had lost my. My is the family of I and it change according to subject. That he, that my, I, my, me, possessive case, and there is the stranger. It means he or he का possessive case, his way. So I hope understood. Now next is here rule number 4. What is rule number 4? The third person pronouns like he, she, it, they, their, them, his, him, her, himself, herself, themselves, hers, theirs of the reported speech will remain same, no change. It means if third person is given here on the place in the reported speech, subject is given, this pronoun is given third person, then there will be no change. It will remain same, like Suresh said, comma and comma, he is a clerk. So Suresh said, object is not given here, so said will remain said. Suresh said that he changed according to he is the third person and it will not change. That he is a merchant in was were, he was a clerk. Next one more sentence. See, I said, comma to comma, she is not a good player. So I said, comma to comma, that she, it remain same, is a merchant in was were, she was not a good player. So the remain sentence will be same. Okay. Now if subject and object of the reporting verb is same gender, then we will write name in the brackets near the third person. So what is said here? If the subject and object are in the same gender, it means this is feminine gender, this is also feminine gender. If these are the same gender, then we will write the name in the bracket, like here she written for the Nirmala, here her written for the Meera. So let us see. Nirmala said to Meera, comma into comma, I shall always help you. So Nirmala said to change in told. Nirmala told Meera, comma into comma, that I change according to subject. In subject there is Nirmala, and Nirmala it means she. Here she is used for Nirmala, and shall change in would always help you. You change according to object. In object there is Meera. It means this is object, she, her, her. So Meera is she, her, her. So objective case of Meera is her, because we will use here as a she, her, her. So her is used here for Meera. It means we will have to write here the name in the bracket so that we can recognize this is her is used for whom. Okay. Now if well, next rule is here. If well, you see, I see, etc is given in the reported speech, it will be removed. It means if it is given here in the sentence, well, you see, I see. If these type of words are given here in the sentence, then it will be removed. See one example. He said, comma, you see, comma, I will not tell you. So he said to change in told. He told me, you is here second person change according to object, and object is not given here, so we'll have to suppose. He told me that you see will remove, it will be removed, that, and this will change according to subject, then he will change in would. He would not tell, and you change according to object. In object we have suppose me, so it means me. So he told me that he would not tell me. I hope you understood, and see you in next video.